What's up guys, it's me Brian Kellum, and here today I want to share with you guys a brief instructional video on how you can do the e-cleaning for your Kangen 8 ionizer. So first and foremost, I want to share with you guys the materials that are needed for this. You're going to need this cap right here to cap this hose off down over here. Right here I got my new F8 filter. I got this cleaning cartridge as well as the cleaning tank. Okay, now what we're gonna do first is, first and foremost, we're gonna power on our K8. Go to the settings. You go to the e-cleaning. You can even ask for instructions as well. So we'll go through the instructions. They say pour 2 packets of the cleaning powder into the cleaning tank. So first and foremost, what we're gonna do is take out the electrolysis enhancer, okay? Take the cleaning tank. Now we got some of the e-cleaner citric acid that we got from our local Kangen water store here in Albuquerque. And it says to use 6 teaspoons of e-cleaner in our e-cleaning adapter. So we'll put 6 teaspoons in here. So 6 teaspoons. All right. Precisely 1 cup of water. So what we're gonna do is take a little bit of the tap water. Take 1 cup. Okay. And then we're going to pour this 1 cup into the cleaning tank. All right. We're going to put this stuff right back on. Now, I'm going to put the cleaning tank right back into your K8. Make sure it's in there nice and snug. Press OK. It's in. Remove and so it says, please remove the filter and install the cleaning cartridge. So now, what you're gonna do now is take off this piece. Ours is wedged on by coffee. Gotta clean that up. And then right here, as you notice on my filter, I actually have the filter date on it since when I first changed it. So in like February, March, April, May, June, July 29th of 2019. So maybe we'll open this bad boy up and check it out later. We'll see. Put the cleaning cartridge on. You want to take these rings out too. There's these little rubber gasket rings in here. You take those out. Okay. Simply put that right on. Boom. Click OK. Then see it says put the cap onto the secondary hose right here. And click OK. And what we're going to do is click start, all right? And when we click start, we're going to begin a 3-hour cycle where what it's going to do is basically circulate that citric acid through the plates of the ionizer and descale any sort of calcium buildup that is on the inside of the filter or of the machine. So yeah, so what we're going to do is start it right up.
Three hours later.
All right guys, so our whole 3 hours of our e-cleaning is finished. Now what we are going to do is move on to the next process, which is to remove the secondary cap. Okay, remove that. There's gonna be a little bit of water coming out of there. So you press OK. Now it says to remove the cleaning cartridge and reinstall the filter. So we have a new filter right here with us, the F8 for the K8 model. Take out the new filter. Okay. Hold on. Gonna put this new filter on. So take take this off. All right, put the new filter in, line up those, make sure you have the two washers onto your filter right there, and you're just gonna simply put it right back in just like that. Okay, now take these off. Now what you're gonna do next is you're gonna reinstall the electrolysis enhancer tank. Okay, so I'm gonna take off the cleaning cartridge. All right, it's empty. Put in the new, put in that electrolysis enhancer tank. Put it back on. Okay. Now we're gonna run the water and rinse the machine. So now it's gonna ask for us to run the water and rinse the machine for about 5 minutes. Okay. So now we're gonna let this do its thing. I'm gonna share with you guys the last and final touches to do when it comes to cleaning your K8, okay? All right, guys, now we just finished up running with the 5-minute cycle. Now we're gonna turn off our water. Now what that does, guys, it actually basically clears out any citric acid that is, from the cleaning tank. And so basically now that we have done that, that is the final process of how you can go about cleaning your K8, okay? So I'm happy to share with you guys this video, and I hope you guys had taken some value from this, and please share this with anybody else out there who is having some struggles with trying to learn about their K8 and their water ionizer and so forth. Please feel free to send them this video. But with all that being said, guys, much love, and hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Thank you.